if you go library, then get different sections. Then get sections for history books. If you search religious materials, place there where you forgo. If you search science fiction, you forgo the science fiction in section. Every book get place where they go. That be how they arrange the library. This book are the Zook. Some they call them Holy Bible. Some they call them Holy Scriptures. Some they call them Torah or Tanakh. The names plenty. But that not be my focus. This be my focus. If I take this book give you, this book where they call them Bible, where I take you come the library, where I talk you say, go put this book for one of the shelves top. Where you go put them? You will go put them for the religious section or the science fiction. Maybe you will go put them for the history. Maybe home economics. Who knows? Maybe philosophy, sociology. Where you go put this book? The reason I ask because the place where you go take this book go put, go influence, where it go impact how you go read this book. I know say more people they talk say then go put for religious section. Yes. I be so you talk. You too so you talk. If you take this book, whether they call the Bible, the Torah or Tanakh, go put religious section, matter have you. Sake of this book, no be religious book. I want to make you think about them. Because from next week they go, we go start Pidgin Bible. Then they call me Rabbi Akwetey Amaah. I be the host. I could take you from Genesis all the way to the end of the Bible. We go look at them. How the person who write the book recommends say we look at them. You see, you when they read the book, know they determine where the book for go for the library inside. The author way they tell we. So if we take what we they call the Torah, the first 5 books, Moku talk say Moses write down. Moses will be the author. Moses tell us how we for read the book. Moses he talk us where we for put for if we go put for library. He tell we. The problem is say you never read down. The problem is say the pastor he dey follow, you no read down. He dey teach what he hear another person talk for radio top or TV top or for the pulpit top. Where you put this book for the library go determine how the book go turn out or how you go read them. So this book, we aisle or we section or we shelf top if a go for the library. Think about them. But I will give you a hint. I will give you a paw. This be why egg. This book no forgo the religious section because the Torah no be religious book. It go shock you. But make you stay tuned. I be Rabbi Akwetey Amaah. Pidgin Bible in a week's time. Try. Omaniaba.